Universal AC-DC Transformer 2.0 amp, also known as a power supply transformer, used to power electric recliner armchairs, sofas and cinema lounges. Being a universal transformer, it is compatible with many makes and models of transformer with the same specifications. This particular one is made by KD Electrical. The model number is KDDY008B. But as previously mentioned, the model number and make are irrelevant. Please check your specification labels for compatibility. The input of this transformer is a 1.5 amp. The output is a 2.0 amp. We are aware that this transformer is compatible with 1.8 amp output transformers also. The universal wall plug attaches here from the wall socket into the power supply. At this end you have what is known as a 2-pin plug or an OI plug or a pin and spade plug. The electric recliner cable plugs into this plug here and connects via the retaining clip like so. Once power is to the unit, you will have a green light here to show that the power is there and operating correctly. This particular transformer is able to operate one electric recliner or two electric recliners via a splitter cable. The size of this unit is 128mm long, 58mm wide and 38mm deep. This is a universal 2.0 amp AC-DC transformer for power recliner furnitures.